Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a hack to make super simple street corn. Now, my absolute favorite street corn comes from Disney World, but earlier this month I traveled to Disneyland in California. Now, in Disneyland, it's pretty cool because they give you your corn all wrapped up, and then they give you 2 little packs of seasoning, a little pack of mayonnaise, and a little pack of the sprinkly Parmesan cheese, the kind you would get at a pizza place. So I fell in love with it so much, I went online and located their seasoning, and I'm so excited. So this is so amazing, and it's super simple. It has literally the ingredients are chili peppers, salt, dehydrated lime juice, and that's it. No artificial colors, flavors, etc. Very natural, super great flavor, and no lime juice required. So since they give you the mayonnaise in a pack there, I just always like squiggle it. So this is like the best way, in my opinion, to make street corn. So you're gonna do the squiggles. And then top it with your seasoning. I'm not kidding, guys. You have got to go try this street corn. Now, if you want and go more traditional, you can spread the mayonnaise all around it. I just like to roll it in the seasoning. And then I have one-upped Disney, because instead of using that tired old shelf-stable cheese, I have some actual legit freshly grated Parmesan. I want you to try this. Here, once again, is the seasoning. You can get 2 of these big containers on Amazon for $12. They're Prime. They'll be here in 2 days. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. And rate, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think, because I know you're gonna love it. Have a great day, and enjoy your corn.